Welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and today I'm excited to share the Go Outside and Play collection designed by Becky Moore. This collection includes 6 adorable papers, as well as stickers, stamps, coordinating dies, ephemera, die papers, as well as a color me paper. Let's jump in and take a look. The collection kit includes 2 of each of the papers you'll see next. This paper is called Sandbox. Next we have Fun Day. This is Busy Bee. This is called Grass Stains. Next is Fly a Kite. And the last paper in this collection is called Time to Play with these great cut-aparts. The collection kit also includes this element sticker sheet, or you can buy it individually as well. This is the Color Me paper that matches this collection. This collection also includes a 30-piece cardstock ephemera pack with lots of fun icons. This is the stamp set, as well as the coordinating dies, which are sold separately, that matches this collection. This fun die paper gives you lots of elements to mix and match with all of your paper crafting projects. They easily cut out with the coordinating dies in this collection. We hope you enjoy a summer of playing outdoors with your family and friends and capturing all of those wonderful memories and then scrapbooking them with the Go Outside and Play collection. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.